Do you know what this machine is called?
No.
Can you get a shot of what I'm pointing at? That right there?
Mm-hmm.
That machine is called a joiner. You know what that machine does?
No idea.
It makes the board flat on one side.
Okay.
See how it's,
check it out.
see how it's all rough? Like this? Okay? You can actually, if you look close, you can actually see saw marks on it where they cut the board, right?
Yeah, I'm on ×2 zoom, so I can get extra good shots.
You are?
Yeah.
All right, so what you do with this is you send it through the joiner, and that makes it flat, all right? Either on the wide side or on the slender side. So I'm gonna do that right now, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
You watch me?
Yep, I'm watching.
You look at me? Now go down here. Okay, I'm gonna pull this thing back, okay? And I want you to film that spinning thing in there. Okay? Okay. Oh, see that? Right in there? Don't put your fingers anywhere near. Look at that. See what that is?
No.
That's the finger eater oven. Yeah, right there. Like if you touch your finger in there, it would disappear. Okay? Ah, yeah, don't even scare me that way. No, I'm serious.
Okay.
I was trying to be serious. But if you put your finger in there, it will disappear. I mean, like gone. Right? It's not even like a saw, right? Where you can cut it off and maybe sew it back on. That will go like, you'll turn it into like red mist. It can never be recovered. All right? Okay. Look at it again. I want you to remember that. That right there, that's the most dangerous thing in the shop. Okay? That's called the joiner. But it's also one of the most useful tools in the shop, so you have to respect it.